Elon Musk got 4,000 SpaceX workers to join a COVID-19 study. When COVID-19 shut down the US economy in March, Elon Musk had a rocket to launch. The billionaire's space exploration venture, SpaceX, was planning to blast a crewed spacecraft into the sky in May and wanted to stay on schedule. That meant finding a way to keep facilities safely open and limit the spread of COVID-19, a challenge when tests were in short supply. To monitor the prevalence of the virus among SpaceX workers nationwide, Mr. Musk and the rocket company's top medical executive worked with doctors and academic researchers to build an antibody testing program. More than 4,000 SpaceX workers volunteered for monthly blood tests. This week the group published its findings, which suggests that a certain threshold of antibodies might provide people lasting protection against the virus. Mr. Musk is listed as a co-author of the peer-reviewed study, which appears in the journal Nature Communications. People can have antibodies, but it doesn't mean they are going to be immune to COVID-19, said Gali Alter, a co-author of the study who is a member of the Argonne Institute of MGH, MIT and Harvard. Individuals who experienced fewer, milder COVID-19 symptoms generated fewer antibodies and were therefore less likely to meet the threshold for longer-term immunity, the study found. The idea is one that other researchers are exploring as they and public health officials try to understand COVID-19 immunity. As vaccines roll out slowly across the globe, the scientists who studied SpaceX workers say their findings could be used to inform who is most vulnerable to the virus and should be vaccinated first. For example, those with no antibodies in areas with high case counts could get priority, Dr. Alter said. SpaceX and its research partners continue testing each month and are now monitoring for reinfection, particularly as mutations spread, researchers involved in those efforts said. So far, they have observed some reinfection among workers who were found to have low levels of COVID-19 antibodies in past testing. In November, the company launched 4 astronauts into orbit as part of its first operational mission with humans on board.